How to find email settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down here and you will find settings. Click on it and then just click this one, personal and account information, and here you will find your email address. If you want to change it, just click edit and you can click edit here, or you can add another email address. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.